In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple audio outputs on Windows 11. This can be particularly useful if you wish to listen to different sounds through separate devices, such as having your music play through your speakers while a game or call is directed to your headphones. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure clarity and ease. First, we need to access the sound settings. Start by typing sound in the Windows search bar at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will bring up a list of options, and you want to click on Change System Sound. This step is fairly straightforward, but remember, if the search doesn't quite work the first time, double-check your spelling or try entering just the word sound. Once you're in the sound settings, navigate to the Playback tab. This is where you'll find all the audio devices currently connected to your computer. It's important to choose the right playback device that you intend to use, such as speakers or headphones. You'll want to right-click on your desired device to ensure it's enabled. If it's not, simply click Enable. This ensures your device is ready to be used for sound output. Next, move over to the Recording tab. This area is slightly different, as it shows all the input devices your system can utilize. A useful tip here is to right-click on an empty space within this tab. A critical step that people often miss is making sure the Show Disabled Devices option is checked. This will reveal all devices, even those not currently active. Identifying and enabling the right device, such as Stereo Mix, is crucial as it plays a significant role in directing your audio output correctly. Now, once you find Stereo Mix in the list, you should right-click on it and select Enable if it isn't already. This option essentially allows sounds from different applications to be mixed and sent to your output devices. It's a feature that acts as a bridge, ensuring sound can be routed properly. Finally, after making these changes, always remember to click Apply and then OK. This will save the modifications you just made, and you should be set to use multiple audio outputs on your Windows 11 system. Double-check if everything is working as expected by testing different applications to confirm that audio is properly routed to your selected devices. Using multiple audio outputs can significantly enhance your computing experience. Whether for gaming, work, or just relaxing with music and videos, this capability lets you control and customize where your sound plays without hassle. Enjoy the flexibility this setup provides, and thank you for following along with today's guide.